I'm your ASB president. Our theme this year is The Show Goes On. If you've ever seen those movies where they're putting on a play and something goes terribly wrong, and they stand there and they look at each other and they're like, what are we gonna do? And then that side quirky character jumps in and with so much inspiration, they're like, the show must go on. And long story short, happily ever after, that whole thing. And I think that situation models our situation to a T, or at least the part where they stand around looking at each other like, what's going on? And the good news is though, that just because this year doesn't look like the year that we thought it would be, doesn't mean it's not gonna be fun, and doesn't mean it's not gonna be awesome. My goals for this year is that we use this season and the opportunities that this season brings to our advantage. And secondly, my hope is that we don't cruise, we don't check out, but that we really invest in our community and support each other. And then lastly, my hope is that we embody the show goes on mentality. And what that looks like is that there's gonna be curveballs and there's gonna be people who expect you to compare or to complain. But my challenge for you is that I want you to understand and be aware of the situation, but be kind, be loving with no reason. Be excited and be joyful when you have every reason to be upset. What I know is that school spirit does not start at the doors of our high school. School spirit is within the people that go through it. And so if I know anything about Sumner, I know that one, we know how to put on a show, and two, that we know how to make it a great day. So with that, remember that the show goes on, we got this.
Hi everyone, my name is Malia Tiano and I am currently a senior at Sumner High School. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the importance of empathy because from what you and I already know, there's a lot going on in our world right now. And this isn't something I want us to ignore because in all honesty, we're all probably experiencing the same mixed emotions right now. If no one has told you this, then let me be the person to remind you that the feelings you are feeling right now are real. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay to feel anxious, scared, annoyed. But overall, it's okay to not be okay. These are real human emotions, and what you're feeling right now is 100% valid. So, what is empathy? Well, empathy is having the ability to share and understand the feelings of another. Brené Brown is an author that talks a lot about empathy, and she explains how it's a vulnerable choice. Because in order to connect with you, I have to connect with something in myself that knows that feeling. So, how can we be empathetic to others, especially during this crazy time our world is in right now? Well, I want to leave you with 3 things. The first thing I want to encourage you to do is check in with your peers. What people need more than anything right now is someone that cares. And who knows, maybe a simple, hey, how are you doing? Can make someone feel that their feelings do matter to someone else and that someone wants to truly know how they're really doing during this time. The second thing I want to encourage you is to listen. We have to listen in order to understand, and we have to understand in order to make someone else feel understood. But something that I think it's important to remind everyone is that we don't have to agree in order to understand. Right now, it's so important for us to expose ourselves to those differences and understand where the other person is coming from. So instead of listening with judgment, start listening with perspective. The final thing that I want to encourage you to do is feel with someone, not for them. Feeling for someone is sympathy. Empathy is when we feel with them. I want to share an example of research that my friend told me about. They took someone to stand at the bottom of a really steep hill and told them to look up. They did the same thing the second time, but they had someone else right next to them. Here's what they discovered. The moment they added another person, both people said the hill looked less steep. The bottom of the hill doesn't represent the situation. It represents the emotion. Hey, I know what it's like down here. I know what it's like to feel at the bottom, and I want you to know that you're not alone. Because the moment when we feel with someone, our perception of the world and in our personal conflicts change. It lets us know that we're not going through this alone. So, again, I want to leave you with 3 things. Check in with your peers, listen with perspective, and feel with someone, not for them. So I may not know who you are, I may not know what you're going through and how you feel right now, but I do want you to know that we're going to get through this. You're going to climb this mountain. And remember, you've made it through before, and I promise you will again.
Hi everyone, my name is Kylie Mukheim. I'm going to be a senior at Sumner High School. I just want to say that if you're struggling, you can always look on the back of your ASB card and there are a lot of resources for you.
Hey Sparts, my name is Mr. Simmons. I am one of the counselors here at Sumner High School for students with last names A through C. What I'm here today is just to tell you that we as the counseling staff are here to support you in any way possible, really in the realms of personal academics or your future college or career plans. We want to make sure that you are set up as best as possible to be successful in school today and whatever you choose to do tomorrow, and also with your personal lives. So feel free to reach out to any of us and check out our website for like resources and ways to get a hold of us. We definitely want to do whatever we can to take care of you guys as best as we can. We love you guys. Go Sparts.
Hello, class of 2024. We are so excited to have you here. I'm Mr. McCrossan. I'm one of the wonderful math teachers here at Sumner High School. I also am a basketball coach and a golf coach here at the high school. So if you're interested in those, give me a shout out. Anyways, I'm here to welcome you, and I'm here to offer a little bit of food for thought. So I was listening to an audio the other day, and the speaker said, raise your hand if there is something that you can do today that will make your life exponentially worse. It will get worse in the next couple weeks. And everyone in the audience raised their hand. And he goes, now raise your hand if you can do something today that will make your life better in the next couple weeks. And everyone raised their hand. And it made me think, it doesn't really matter where you come from or where you're at this given moment, but you are here right now and you have that choice today to do something that makes your life better or worse. And as you enter high school, and particularly Sumner High School, you're going to have a ton of choices. You're going to have choices over who you hang out with, whether or not you attend Zoom classes. Like, you're in high school. The world is your oyster and you have a ton of choices. So what I'm going to challenge you, class of 2024, is make good choices. Every day you're going to wake up and you have the choice to do something to improve your life or something that might be able to hinder your life. So I'm going to ask you, class of 2024, make great choices. Make choices every single day that's going to build you up, build your friends up, and build Sumner High School up. And in 4 years, when you're getting ready to graduate, you're going to leave Sumner High School better than you found it. We are super excited to have you, and I hope that you have a great high school career. We'll see you along the road. Later.
Hi Sparks, my name is Brittany and I'm a paraeducator here at Sumner High School as well as the athletic trainer. Most of you know me from athletic training and hopefully I get to know all of you again soon when sports come back. I'm looking forward to working with all you guys this year. I know it's a little bit different, but we're all going to make it work and I'm really excited to see you guys and help you guys and be there for you guys. Let me know if you need anything and go Sparks!
Sumner High School, 2020-2021. Sophomores, juniors, and seniors, long time no see, incoming freshmen. Haven't seen you at all yet, but I'm looking forward to that in the near future here. Long time no see, everybody. Mr. Bendon here, PE teacher. And I just want to give you guys a warm welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm very aware, just as much as everybody listening to this is, that there are so many things right now that are seem very uncertain about the upcoming school year that turns out starts on Tuesday of this upcoming week. And I have a few things that I've consolidated into my mind of how I'm approaching the school year, and I want to share these things with you guys so that we can make this a positive school year, even though it's going to be different from what we've ever experienced. Okay, so first of all, everybody needs to be open-minded for this to be a good experience of a school year, okay? If you go into this thinking that, oh, I can't stand the online, this isn't going to be an experience that's good for me, I beg you to try to change that perspective towards it, because that will not help you, okay? The only way you're gonna give yourself the best chance to have a good school year and a positive experience is going to be having a positive mindset towards it, okay? And that takes me to my second thing, is going to be focus on positivity. The more you focus on being a positive person and looking at your classes in a positive way, though, that idea is going to help you enjoy your school year more. It will help you stay in better communication and establish better relationships and maintain those relationships with those around you, whether that be your friends, your family, or your teachers. Okay, so that's going to be huge for being a positive experience for you. And that's something that I'm personally working on myself to try to do that, because I know for a fact I'm going to do everything I can to make this a positive school year, okay, for all my classes. And I want that to be a commonality across everything that we got going on at Sumner High School. In addition to that, I just want everybody to know that I do know a lot of the student population, and I mega miss your guys' faces right now, big time. And I do look forward to, even though it'll be via Zoom, I'm still so looking forward to seeing everybody and to reconnecting those relationships, because we haven't talked for a couple months. I'm just super excited to get things started, and I think that everybody involved, both staff and students, are in need of a routine and a regiment, and that is something that we're going to have. So let's take everything with a grain of salt as we approach this school year and just put forth your best foot. And I think that's going to be the best way that we can all have the best possible experience out of this. So just be mindful. I'm so looking forward to seeing everybody. And until then, take care and be positive. Later. Talk soon.
Hey Sparts, it's Mr. Nino. Yeah, crazy Mr. Nino, sitting here in 12A by myself. No one here, nobody, just me, hanging out. It's Friday. School starts Tuesday, and this is what it'll look like. Me in my room, you guys wherever you're at, home, driving, hopefully not driving and using your phone or computer at the same time, but you know what I mean. It's weird. It's not what we expected. We were expecting, I think, to be back in the classroom and getting after it, and we're not. But you know what? That's okay. That's okay. It's going to be good. I'm excited. I'm excited for the school year to start. I'm excited to see everybody's faces. I'm excited to see my juniors and my seniors. And it's a virtual reality, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with that. At least for now. But at some point, I want you guys in here. I want you in 12A, and I want to be giving high fives at the door as you come in each day. I want to be excited. I want to be loud and yell and walk around the room. And for those of you that have had me know that that's what I do. I get excited to see you guys, and I'm passionate about what I do. And so, when we got booted in the spring and being isolated and trying to make that work, and it was a struggle, and there's going to be struggles this year. I mean, there's going to be hiccups, and there's going to be tech stuff, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm excited just to see you guys and have discussions hear your voices and see your faces, and make some, start rebuilding relationships that we didn't get to finish up in the spring, and move forward. But yeah, sitting at my desk, sitting here at the front of the room, hallways are quiet. Some of us are here. Some of us will be here. Some of us are going to be working from home. But that's what it is. That's what we get right now. And hopefully sooner than later we'll be in person. But I'm looking forward to this year. I'm excited. I'm excited to hit the ground running and see you guys on Tuesday via screen. So let's have a great attitude, and let's be ready to get after it and have fun and connect with each other and do the best we can. Staff here is great. You guys are fantastic. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's have some fun. Go Sparks, and rock on. See you on Tuesday.
Hi Spartans, I'm Miss Ferlin. I'm the new assistant principal here at Sumner High School. I'm in charge of 11th grade, ASB, MTSS, EL, and Eli Hill.
Hey Spartans, hope you're doing well. My name's Kel Garrison. I'm a new assistant principal at Sumner High School, and I'll be overseeing the freshman class. I'm so excited and honored to join the community of Sumner High School, and I look forward to serving you.
Hi guys, my name is Miss McGee and I teach English Language Arts. I am so excited for this school year. It is going to be crazy, but it's going to be very memorable.
Hi, my name is Ronnie Kramer Thibodeau. I'm a new English teacher for 9th grade. I am also an intervention teacher and an acting teacher.
Hello, Spartans. My name is Katie Chulik, and I am a new math teacher at Sumner High School. I come all the way from New Jersey, but I am so excited to be part of the Sumner community here in Washington.
Hello, Spartan family. Hola, familia de Espartanos. My name is Noelia Bonesus. Mi nombre es Noelia Bonesus. I will be teaching Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. Estaré enseñando Español 1 y Español 2.
Hola, my name is Diana Gomez and I have the honor to be teaching Spanish at Sumner High School this year.
Hi, I'm Tammy Esser, too. Most kids call me Mrs. E.
And my name's Alex Morris, but most kids call me Miss Alex.
We met at Crestwood Elementary in the DLC program in 2014.
And then for the last 3 years, we've worked together at Sumner Middle School in their DLC program.
And now, together, we are graduating to Sumner High School together in the DLC program.
Go Spartans!
Woo!
Hello, everyone. My name is Ariana Judson. I am the new Behavior Family Support Specialist here at Sumner High School. I am so excited about so many things coming this year, about learning in my new profession, about meeting you all and becoming a part of the Sumner High School community. But most of all, I am excited for the day that we can all come back together again in person in the schools.
Oh, hey Sparts! Welcome back! I hope you've had a great first day. Hey Sparts, for those of you that have been affected by the Sumner Great Fire, I just want to let you know that we're here for you. We have a lot of resources that we can help support you with it. I also want our whole Spartan community to know that if there's anybody out there that can handle this year, it's the Sumner Spartans. I really believe in each of you and I believe in us. So I think that we have the right theme for this year. The show goes on. I believe in it. Let's make it happen. Go Sparts. Make it a great day.